Hey guys, what is going on? In this video, we are talking about an EV company called Lightning E Motors who is going public via reverse merger with blank check company Gig Capital. After doing some research on Lightning E Motors, I found this company to be very intriguing and I can definitely see high growth potential here. Stay tuned because we are going to go through all the deets. And I hope it's not too much to ask for an early like on this video, subscribe if you aren't already, and turn on those post notifications to be notified every time I post a new video. I would very much appreciate the support so much. And remember, I am not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you how or where to invest your money. I am only here to post my own thoughts and opinions with any stocks I may do a coverage of. With that being said, let's get right into the video. So here we are, you guys. Lightning E Motors produces electric fleet medium and heavy duty vehicles including delivery trucks, shuttle buses, passenger vans, chassis cab models, and city transit buses. The Lightning products include elegantly integrated all-electric powertrains for the Ford Transit 350 HD passenger and cargo vans, Ford E450 shuttle bus and cutaway models, Ford F59 step food van, and much more. So basically what they do is that they buy these commercial vehicle chassis from suppliers including Ford Motor Company, and then they assemble the final electric versions of them. And like we saw, they do this for a broad range of vehicles, which gives them a crazy total addressable market. And Lightning E Motors is actually the market share leader in the Class 3 to Class 7 markets and has a 50% share in the Class 3 to Class 6 market. They are the only company that has delivered electric vehicles for each of the Class 3, Class 4, Class 5, Class 6, and Class 7 segments. So they are already shining in this particular industry. So these are the wide range of vehicles available that they have in the commercial space. There are the passenger vehicles, transit passenger van, E450 shuttle, F550, cargo vans, transit cargo van, E450 cutaway, F59 cargo van and food truck, all the way to the cargo truck and to the city transit bus. Now, another thing that really caught my attention is that they have their own charging service. So it's in-house. You don't have to go to a vendor or a third party. And we will get more into this real soon throughout this video. Now, this is the blank check company that is going to be reverse merging with Lightning E Motors. And they are currently trading under the ticker symbol GIK in the New York Stock Exchange. And as you can see today, December 23rd, they are trading for $13.16 a share, and they're up almost 9%. Now in midsummer to November, they were trading for almost $10 a share. And towards the ending of November, they did rise to a price of $13.18 a share, and they rode up again in the beginning of this month, December, to $13.33 a share. And their market cap is sitting at $339 million, which makes them a small cap stock. So yes, Lightning E Motors is to go public in reverse merger with Gig Capital. The deal is expected to generate gross proceeds of $125 million and gives Lightning E Motors a pro forma equity valuation of around $823 million. And the transaction is expected to close in the first half of next year, 2021, pending shareholder and regulatory approvals. The boards of both companies have unanimously approved the merger. On completion of the deal, the company will be named Lightning E Motors and will be listed on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol ZEV. So very exciting, and make sure you are on a close watch on this if you are interested in investing in this company. Now they have some pretty large customers, you guys. Among the company's customers are Amazon, DHL, CBRE, Praxair, Winnebago, and Cox Enterprises. And their partners include Ford Motors, like we just spoke about, Borg Warner, Plug Power, which we will get more into, and BP, who is also an investor in the company. And among these key customers, they have now ordered 1,500 vehicles. Now, the company has manufacturing capabilities of 1,000 units annually now, and the ability to scale this to 20,000 units by 2025. The current customers for Lightning E Motors together operate 500,000 vehicles, which could set the company up nicely for future sales. And they do have over 120 vehicles already on the road, unlike XL Fleet, Hyliion, and Nikola. So they are already in a great head start. Now, finding out that they do have a partnership with Plug Power really caught my eye. Lightning E Motors is the sole EV partner of Plug Power, the first vehicle in service in November 2020, available with 200 or 400 mile range, Pro-Gen fuel cell engines, plus Lightning E Motors EV drivetrain, batteries, and analytics. Lightning E Motors modular design allows FCEV and BEV to be largely interchangeable. And this fuel cell powered Class 6 truck allows customers to drive longer distance with larger payloads. So this absolutely amazed me. Now, to give you some quick insight on Lightning eMotors financials, they say it has high revenue visibility with 100% of projected 2021 revenue coming from vehicles that were already ordered. 25% of fiscal 2022 is also from firm orders. For fiscal 2020, the company expects $9 million in revenue. That figure is expected to grow to $63 million and $354 million in the next two respective fiscal years. By 2025, the company sees revenue hitting $2 billion. Revenue is seen growing at a compound annual growth rate of 195% from 2020 to 2025. Now that is absolutely crazy. Now, as you can see, most of this projected revenue is coming from the commercial EVs, and the second most is the systems for OEMs. And they are also on the pathway to profitability, which we will see positive in 2022. And they are projecting this to rise even more so in 2025. Now, bouncing back to their EV charging solutions, they offer the whole gamut of charging solutions and services from charging station purchase and leasing to installation project management to a complete charging as a service deployment. So they do offer a comprehensive range of AC level 2 and DC fast charging stations for your electric vehicles. And again, they do offer the charging stations directly, so you don't have to find a third-party vendor. So like I said earlier, this is extremely beneficial that it is directly offered to you and you don't have to find and seek a third-party vendor, as it can be extremely frustrating. Now, the level 2 AC charging is delivered to the vehicle where it is converted to DC power for charging the batteries. This class of charger is lower in cost and easier to connect to your building's existing electrical infrastructure. However, charging times for a commercial EV will be long due to the high capacity of the batteries. Now, the DC fast charge converts AC electricity to DC power, which is delivered to the vehicle and is used to charge the batteries. Although more expensive, DC fast charge is much faster than level 2. The high current levels needed for DC fast charge may require additional planning and permitting for installation. Now we're nearing the ending of this video. What do you guys think about Lightning eMotors? In my opinion, they are already looking like a really great, intriguing company in the fast-growing EV space. And like we saw, they do have a head start already with 120 vehicles on the road, which gives them a great spot in the quote-unquote EV race. Now, speaking of vehicles on the road, they actually just revealed a few days ago a new Transit Class 3 van that will hit the roads in the second quarter of 2021. The company's new EV van can get power from batteries or fuel cells. They also sport a range of up to 250 miles. And Tim Reeser, CEO of Lightning eMotors, said, used extensively by commercial and government fleets, Class 3 vehicles such as passenger vans, cargo vans, and ambulance are ripe for electrification. Class 3 vehicles have an extended wheelbase and expanded cargo and payload capacity and are commonly used by mid to large-sized fleets. This is absolutely great news, and they are just setting themselves up for so much success with this year coming up. Also, the fact that they have customers who are big blue chip companies gives them a lot more potential to reel in other blue chip companies sometime in the near future, in my opinion, possibly next year. And lastly, another promising factor that we went over is their backlog orders, which gives them so much advantage compared to Nikola, Hyliion, and XL Fleet, who are still in development stage. Overall, Lightning eMotors has really caught my eye, and I'm looking to enter into a long-term position real soon. Well, that brings us towards the ending of this video, you guys. Comment down below what you think about this company and what your plans are with them. I would love to know your thoughts. As always, they are appreciated. Also, please don't forget to like, subscribe if you aren't already, and turn on those post notifications to be notified every time I post a new video. I would very much appreciate the support so much, as it helps out the channel a whole lot. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. Till next time.